Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the midweek video. We have dollar Olay over at Walgreens, $7 Big Mama Tides at the Home Depot, and free Dawn Power Wash at Walmart. So just kind of like the greatest hits of the week. If you still want to go out shopping, in case you missed some of my videos, I kind of consolidated it all into one video. You guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It would really help me out and the channel if you take a second and like the video. Sometimes these videos just end up in YouTube Siberia, so please like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, on I think it was Wednesday we got these boosters. The top one is earn 5 or 10 when you spend 25 or 50 on Halloween from the 17th to the 30th. We have it earn 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G bath products or Olay products. And the final one is a 10 back when you spend 45, valid from the 17th to the 23rd. We'll look at these a little more closely. Some of them are online only and some you can use both online and in store. A lot of us have been receiving like a 5 back when you spend 15. This is a paper booster. For this deal, we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Olay body washes at $7 a pop. Earn an $8 register reward when you purchase 3 of these, pairing it with the $5 register reward. It is a magical little deal. We also have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. And it actually expires this Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it, guys. And it's for either the Olay or the Old Spice body wash, so you pick. So grabbing 3 of these, it'll be 21. Subtracting that digital coupon, get the cashier to scan your booster. You're going to pay $16 with your debit card. Get back an $8 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 3 for 3 or $1 per unit. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. However, if you might have register rewards from Garnier, Colgate, you want to throw a couple of those in, absolutely do it. It should still work for you. The next deal that I think everybody should be doing this week is on the Garnier Whole Blends or the Fructis. If you want to do both deals, separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per. And we have this 3 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. I'm kind of impartial to Fructis for whatever reason. Not a big fan of the whole blends. Let me know if you feel the same way in the comments down below. But grabbing 2 of these Garnier Fructis for $7.98, they're $3.99 a pop. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And you can basically save this one and throw it into the other Olay one, and that should work perfectly. These freezer bags, it's a 20 counter of the Walgreens freezer bags. Grab 3 of them for $2.79. It basically makes it 93 cents per box of 20. And I mean, this is a perfect item to throw in your stockpile. I got to get more this week too. It's just such a lovely product. Very similar to Ziploc in my humble opinion. Lots of the lotion and skincare is up to 90% off as well. Probably your store, there's been other shoppers that have been picking through the stuff, but I made a video showing a bunch of what the products look like, and if it's been misplaced or accidentally in the wrong section, you might score some of this stuff very, very cheap. Don't be shy to ask for a quick price check, and usually it's Tuesdays or Saturdays they start mass putting out these tags, so perhaps Saturday morning get out to your store and look around. A Walgreens near my house, look at all the holes in the toilet paper. It seems like the average shopper is stocking up quite a bit on toilet paper. Just putting a bug in your ear, everything going on in the world. Maybe this is one thing you might want to do, a couple more toilet paper deals before the month ends. I made a video completely on toilet paper, Angel Soft deal actually this week. I will also link that at the very end for you guys. Next store that we're at is at a Home Depot. This deal, you could maybe look it up online and see if there's any of these units in stock, or possibly just go to the store. That would be the easier way to find it. I believe these are like 20 some dollars regular price. They were on clearance for 15 and now they're down to 7. And it is this specific Tide Ultra Oxy Heavy Duty 4-month supply. The devil is in the details because they shrinkflated the packaging over at Home Depot. Probably everywhere else too. It's a smaller bottle. but it's the 132 fluid ounce, or the basically 1.3 gallon, that one. 94 loader, and $7 if your store might have it in the Sky Shelf, the regular section, or clearance. Definitely be on the lookout for it if you are a fan of this line. It cleared out, I believe, a day ago. But I know a lot of you that might live in small town USA probably can track this down. Also, don't be shy to ask for a price check at the front. The last time I went to Home Depot for one of these hauls, that's what I did to get the perfect pricing. And they also have a 15 off of 75 and a 25 off of 100. So if you wanted to get a bunch, this is a way to get some extra savings at the Home Depot. And I believe this promotion goes on until the end of the month. Okay, so now we're at Walmart, and I did do a special video on this yesterday. It is these two different flavors of Dawn Power Wash or scents. One is in lilac, crisp lilac, and then watermelon summer. So these two, at various stores in the US, they went down to $3. So some stores are $1.50 and some stores are $2. If they're at a lower cost at your store, it's obviously going to be a complete freebie. But for me, it was $1 for one of these power washes. Now, we have a Walmart cashback. You obviously need to sign up for the Walmart app and then download the app to your phone. You don't need a Walmart Plus membership. This is just a regular, you have an account, obviously. You have to load this cashback too before you buy the item. Very important. I actually jogged through how to use Walmart Cash in yesterday's video, so check that out. But grabbing one of these power washes, either the watermelon or the lilac, it would be $3 for me. I have to activate my Walmart cashback before I go to the register, buy it, and then send it off to, I got to send that code, the UPC code, off to the Walmart app. Once it's registered and they validate the cashback, it could be anywhere from an hour to 24 hours or 48 hours. For me, it would be $1. If your store has them for $1.50 or $2, it's a freebie. And a lot of us got mailer coupons earlier this month, and there was a $2 off of a power wash. So that could be another freebie for you. And I have not seen this on IBOTTA either. So I know there's a lot of moving parts with Walmart Cash. And if you're like, I still don't understand what you're talking about, watch yesterday's video. There's also a whole lot of toys at $5 and under. You might have to look through the regular toy section, or they might have it in the clearance section. But if you want to stock up for Christmas, I know a lot of us are kind of worried, like if we'll have enough toys to put under the tree, for if you have a lot of nieces and nephews or a huge extended family. A lot of this stuff is like summery stuff too, like this activity doll, but you know what? A Hello Kitty collector can put anything in that and it would look absolutely adorable. So this is Walmart. I would definitely go look for that power wash. Look for it in the regular aisle or on a side cap. Final store that we have is my favorite lately, the Dollar General. And there was a new penny list on Tuesday for a lot of candy, and this Jolly Rancher hard candy, I saw it in the store last week when the other candy went on clearance. I really struggle for any sort of food because I think around here they just grab all the food and throw it in the garbage before it pennies out. I've noticed a lot of stores have been doing that, but some stores don't if they're short staffed. And here's the UPC. If you scan it, and if it shows up 0.00 at the register, it should be a penny. Now, last Friday, which was the 8th, there was a gigantic penny list, including a lot of cleaners. And that's the sort of stuff that I am like really keyed in and interested in. And I got a whole bunch on Tuesday, and it was stuff that other penny shoppers were overlooking. They were just walking right by it. And maybe they just don't know it's part of this penny list, but I will take all of it because it's such great deals. This chloralin, it's very similar to like a Clorox spray. It's been in many different clearance events, and I think it's one product that people were like, I don't even want to try it. And I found this on many Sky shelves and many clearance sections. Even last Tuesday I was finding it. So here is the UPC. And as I said, it's supposed to be 0. This is what it'll look like when you scan that barcode in the app. And if it says item not sold in your store, you really can't trust that counter. This is a harder one to find, this Mean Green. It's just an antibacterial spray in lemon, yes. And actually, I was shocked Rust-Oleum, that spray paint company, makes this, so you know it's of a really good quality. So I'm clueless why nobody bought this. Look, Rust-Oleum Corporation. Amazing. I found 6 of these, keeping them all for my personal stockpile. And then this Fabuloso that looks like orange juice, it is mixed in with other Fabulosos. So whatever one looks really, really like orange juice with the blue cap, that's the one you're looking for. And here is the UPC. And there is nothing better than getting an entire basket of penny items and just paying a couple of pennies. And it's just like some stuff that mean potato stuff you'll be using for some time, especially the cleaners. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.